Basically, this is what I got. It's it's nice. I just got it today. My little cigarette outlets, and it's hooked to I got this hooked in, which it controls my lights. So this is pretty neat because, you know, all I gotta do is like press one of these buttons, and it turns the little cigarette lighter outlet on and off. So when it's not in use, I can turn that off, and I can keep my lights plugged in instead of unplugging them all the time, so they're not like all over the floor or anything. So, you know, let me show you guys. Put that right back up there. I cannot wait for winter, guys. For real, it's hot as hell. Alright, let's get it plugged in. Okay. Okay. As you guys can see, it's all plugged in. All I gotta do now, I'm like on patrol or something, you know, or helping out like the guardian or something. All I do is just press that button right there, and my lights will come on. I'll show you guys. Gotta walk around here. As you guys can see, my light's on now. Anyway, it's a nice little light. I already showed you guys that before. I don't know if I showed off my reflector vest, but I also got a reflector vest too. I got it hooked in here. It ain't going nowhere, it's just gonna hang there. And anyway, got my reflector vest, so if there's like a car wreck or something, or if like I'm at a church event or something, you know, directing cars or whatever, and like I use that vest, or if I'm like just, you know, doing security for the church or something, my mom's church. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.